So this is the workflow that I created for a skincare brand. So it is a customer support agent. So let me walk you through it. So firstly I have added a Gmail trigger. So what does this do is that it triggers the workflow when any new email is sent to the inbox. After that I have added a get a message node. So what does this node do is that it grabs all the information coming from the email. Then I have added a set node. I have added the fields that we want to use in the later in the video in the workflow. So these were the fields that I had added. And coming on to the other branch, this is a tally trigger. Tally is basically a platform that lets us create forms. So this is the form that I created. So whenever any lead enters their name and all this important all this in fields uh, and submits it, this trigger uh, this node gets triggered and the workflow starts. So after that I have added the set node similar to the Gmail. I have added the fields that we want, and yeah, that was still the two branches. And then I have added a switch node which will just route the data to the agents. So what does this switch node do is that if the data is coming from the Gmail, oh sorry, if the data is coming from the Gmail branch, then it routes the data to the Gmail manager, and same with the uh, form. So if the data is coming from the tally trigger, then the information goes to the website form manager. So coming on to the agents, we have first Gmail manager. So this is the system message, and this is the client info, user message. So in user message we are just giving the uh, information that is coming from the past previous nodes. So and in the system message we are telling the agent to uh, uh, how to craft the message, how to output the context, objectives, roles, all the information that we want that we want agent to know. We are giving it in this prompt. uh, this is the same thing with the website form manager. We are providing the input fields, the data coming from the form, then the system message. So now for these agents I'm using OpenAI's chat model as a main chat model, and Gemini's model as a fallback model. uh, Also I'm using a structured output parser because I wanted the response to be in the uh, I mean I wa- in the next node I will be sending when the query will be solved, I want to send email. So when the agent crafts the email, it doesn't give the subject and body as a different variable, as a separate variable. So for that purpose I have added a structured output parser which just breaks it, and we get the desired output. So that way we could just that way I can just map the fields and we're good to go. So yeah, these are the last nodes. This is a send message node, and this is a reply to message node. In this reply to message node we are not we don't create we don't add subject, because we are just replying to the email that was sent to us. So yeah, that was it. And also these two agents have access to the RAG knowledge base. So it is a RAG database. So it just whenever the information is required, they just access it through the this vector database. It is a Pinecone vector store. Let me show you the so this is the knowledge base that I have added in our vector store. So it has all the information regarding our product, our policies, our brand info, all the information, so that our agents could handle the queries properly. So yeah, that was the workflow. The download link will be in the description or in the pinned comments. So yeah, thanks for watching. And also, if you want, what you could do is that for the edge cases we could add a human intervention scenario, where we can send the queries directly to the Slack, and then when we reply, we just send when we reply, then based on that the email will be created and then it will be sent. So that is also a good way to think about solving edge cases. So yeah, you could do that too. So if you want, you can just grab the template from the description and try it yourself. So yeah, thanks for watching.